it's Ayami. Welcome to Ayami's Cooking. Today I'm going to make Imagawayaki, which is Japanese sweet. Imagawayaki is a pancake filled with custard cream or red bean paste. This is a request that I received on YouTube. Thank you so much for your request. I hope you will enjoy this video. Now let's get started. So today I'm going to use this red bean paste. Also I'm going to make custard. So I'm gonna start with custard cream. First, egg. I'm going to use whole egg. Beat an egg. Then add 2 tablespoons of flour. Then 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then mix them well. Then pour 100 ml of milk. Mix well. Then cover this with wrap. Then warm this up in microwave on 500 watts for 2 minutes. After this, mix well. Cover this with wrap again. And then warm this up in the microwave again on 500 watts for 1 minute. Then mix well again. Then vanilla extract. Ta-da! Easy custard cream! So I want to make green tea custard cream too. So I'm going to get some custard cream into another bowl. Green tea powder. Then mix well. So good. Next, I'm going to make pancake batter. So I put the plain flour and sugar in baking soda. And then sift them. Then add milk. Then egg. Then mix well. Done. Next, maple syrup. Just 2 teaspoons. It's done. Now I'm going to make pancakes. For Imagawayaki, we need Imagawayaki cooking plate, but I don't have it, so I bought this egg rings. So I'm going to make Imagawayaki with these egg rings. So first, heat the pan up. I'm doing on low heat. Then spread butter on the sides. Then this is the point. You need also spread the butter on egg rings too. Like this. Then put the egg rings on the pan. Then pour pancake batter into the egg ring. Maybe halfway. Then red bean paste. Then wait for a second. So if you cook it on medium heat or high heat, it's gonna burn, but inside is not cooked. So please use low heat. After it starts swelling, put another ring on it. Pour butter. This must be up to less than half. And then wait a little bit again. Go back. Okay, so it looks cooked well. So next all you have to do is hop. Then move this guy. Atsuy! Atsuy, atsuy! exploded. Too much butter. I'm gonna take them out. Okay, so I'm gonna do custard cream one. Put the egg whip on the pan. Pour pancake butter. Next time I shouldn't put too much. Maybe halfway up. Then put custard. A lot of custard cream. This is red bean. I don't want to mess them up. I think this the first Imagawayaki is done. So take it out. Woo. Oh, I need some plate. Take it out from the ring. Jian. The bottom is like this. Ooh, cool. The custard cream one looks good. So, hot. So good. Next, I'm going to do green tea custard. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hot. This is for the fourth one. This is red bean paste. But this is just boring. So I'm going to add cheese. I don't know if you have ever had red bean paste and cheese at the same time, but this combination is really good. Wow, cheese. Ooh, cheese. How are you doing there? Oh, looks good. This one is custard cream. Hey, custard cream is done. Ooh. Ooh. Wow, it's soft. This one is green tea custard. Looks like wasabi. Done. Okay, the last one. 3, 2, 1. Shippaishita. So sad. I'm so sad, so I'm going to make one more red bean cheese. Bunyu, 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 bunyu. Cheese. Wait. Still looks good. Jump. Red bean and cheese. Revenge. Watch. 3, 2, 1. 1. 3, 2, 1. Hop. Ooh. Yay! Yay! Success! Ooh. Looks so amazing. Done! Red bean cheese! Success! So custard cream, red bean, green tea custard cream, and cheese and red bean paste. Ooh. So I'm going to show you the inside of red bean and cheese. Wow! Ooh, cheese! Wow! Looks amazing, right? So now, time to eat! いただきます。おー、チーズ、チーズ、チーズ、おー。This is actually really good. The sweetness of red bean paste and the saltiness of cheese. This is the best combination ever. You definitely want you to try this. This was really good, so please try this recipe. Right, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.